Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and first of all, yes, I know I've been inactive for a while, but I'm coming to you with an absolute banger, guys, because I want to announce that MEXC has released their DEX Plus, guys, which is a decentralized exchange aggregation platform that integrates multiple DEXs to offer users the best trading routes, minimize slippage, and optimize trading costs, guys. As MEXC's latest decentralized trading solution, DEX Plus supports trading for over 10,000 on-chain assets, ensuring users always receive the best prices and enjoy seamless DEX trading experience. So before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive right into it, guys. So these informations basically mean that now it is much more easier to trade multiple meme coins and overall coins, everything from MEXC, instead of, you know, going into different DEXs, having multiple EVM wallets, all the, you know, stuff like that. So everything is easily, effortlessly available right here, guys. Much easier and much better to use, basically, and it's super user friendly. And on top of that, guys, they have this event as well, which I'm sharing to you. So this is their DEX Plus airdrop reward event. So you can trade $100 to get $20 bonus rewards, and you can also share 100,000 USDT in futures bonuses right here, guys. And also 50,000 in futures bonuses for inviting your friends. So this is 150,000 USDT in total to be shared. And as you can see, it's pretty easy. You sign up for your account, you visit the DEX Plus page, activate your DEX Plus wallet, there you maintain at least 100 USDT equivalent in net deposits, and then you transfer and trade at least 100 USDT worth of tokens via DEX Plus, and you receive 20 USDT futures bonus. So yeah, it's pretty cool. KYC users get it first, but many of you guys definitely use MEXC, and many of you are probably KYC'd here as well, so it's a nice information for you. I always want to drop those videos, you know, telling about all the promotions, about all the events, and you can also get some free money. I mean, 20 bucks for 1 minute of work, and you still might end up using DEX Plus as your daily exchange solution, guys. I mean, definitely worth it. So there is 10,000 plus on-chain assets, guys. There is lower slippage, and obviously it's constantly evolving. They have this whole page dedicated to the debut here, and you can basically read what it is, how it works, why it's better, and well, we can go over this table here. So MEXC DEX Plus, guys, activation method, you can easily activate directly from your MEXC account. Then from different DEXs you might need to create an additional account, setting up password, stuff like that. When it comes to access method, you can access it via app or website, and then sometimes you need to download additional apps when it comes to other DEXs. Easy deposit methods, really user-friendly interface, guys, which you can see on your screen right now, how easy it is to navigate DEX Plus on your phone, how easy it is to swap, and how transparent and user-friendly the whole interface is, as well as your transaction record, which is basically recorded, which records every transaction, position, profit. So it's much easier to track your positions when, you know, on normal DEX, when you trade, it's just trade and you don't have like statistics and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So guys, how DEX Plus looks like? It looks like this, and you can search your token or particular contract address. You can also check out trending section, which is sometimes really cool for joining projects early before they go up huge. And as you can see, there is many pump.fun projects, because obviously pump.fun is where most of the memes are born. And now you don't need to, you know, deal with all the hassle of pump.fun. You can just go to MEXC and interact with these same tokens directly from MEXC, much easier, because they also tell you whether the project is audited. You can also use the quick buy section. So there is many features here that are basically much better than, you know, using pump.fun or other DEXs, right? So yeah, let's say you want to, I don't know, check out some of the projects that are still about to get listed on Radium, let's say. You can go ahead and just click on particular one that you like, and you can see all the history. You can just buy and sell like on any other DEX. However, as I'm saying, it's much easier here because you also have the security checks, you have the amount of holders and all the stuff that basically, you know, you don't need to really go over and research it like each and every single thing separately because you have it all right here on the platform on MEXC directly. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, you can also access the token address, the contract address, and you can easily just verify everything when it comes to each particular token. So that's what makes it really user-friendly and really easy to use. And you have many different pairs, as I'm saying, guys. 10,000 plus, you know, on-chain assets. So you can, you know, find some gems here probably, some tokens that might go huge. And yeah, for example, this Anchil, I was looking at this and it pumped like crazy. Oh, okay, but I see that's when it got graduated, I believe, and then yeah, interesting pattern here. But yeah, guys, you can check out those tokens, you can take advantage of them, especially if you are into trading memes on Solana. Then definitely this is the place where you can profit a lot. It also shows you the whole liquidity, whole volume, what is the buy and sell tax, so you also know how much slippage you need to apply, all the stuff. So yeah, it's much easier, you can save yourself a lot of money as well. So that's basically that. And yeah, guys, it will be it for today's video. The event is still ongoing for 2 more weeks, so you can go ahead and get started right now if you want. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and see you in the next ones coming out soon.